Good morning, class 8th students. How are you? In this lockdown time, our children, I request you stay home, stay safe. Don't go out whenever if it is not very necessary. If you go out, then you use complete face mask and maintain social distancing. Whenever if you stay at home, you must wash your hands with a soap 2 or 3 times within 2 hours. As I am thinking, you all are not aware this type of invisible enemy, and as I am thinking, you all will have understood and you will have seen on television screen. This is a very crucial time. This is a very epidemic situation in the whole world. More than 184 countries of the world are contaminated by this type of virus. So there is no particular medicine, only social distancing and covering ourselves from one another, because this type of virus is spread from one person to another person. So it is very essential. I request you, all of my guardians, all of students, you please convince your students or wards, please stay at home. And this is the first day of science class. Regarding this, I would like to suggest you, because whenever if it is science, then it is our first and primitive duty to aware you from these viruses, because psychologically we are very afraid of this type of virus. Nowadays this is spreading very rapidly. You will have seen on television screens that each and every within 24 hours number of patients increases. So this is our foremost duty, to maintain the social distancing. Only blocking the chain of spreading this type of disease, we will overcome on this type of invisible enemy. Okay, thank you, beta. Now let's we have class 8th students of science. Before we go, this is the first day, and so that I would like to give you definitions, descriptions about the science, what is science, what type of branches we will study from here. So this is my first duty to define the science, and then after I will give you more details. Class 8 science. So let's have a look on science definition. The systematic knowledge of anything process to achieve it by experimentation, observation, and conclusion. The systematic knowledge of anything process to achieve it by experimentation, observation, and conclusion is known as science. Generally, we say that science is of three branches. Science is of three branch. Physics, chemistry, and biology. Some small, you can say, for little definitions, I would like to give you these types, and then after I will go deep in first chapter. First, let's we have physics. It is the science of measurement. It is the science of measurement. Father of physics, Sir Isaac Newton. Einstein and Galileo. Chemistry, it is that branch of science in which we study about the matter, reactions, and products, etc. Matters means element, compound, mixture. Lavoisier perhaps. Lavoisier is the, you can say, father of chemistry. Now let's look biology. It is that branch of science in which we study about the living organism. Beg your pardon, please. It is that branch of science in which we study about the living organism. Father of biology, Aristotle. This is the introductory class. Now this one, physics, chemistry and biology, in the entire these three makes a science. Here from the first chapter we will have to study about the crop production, and it relates from biology and all students, we have to know that what is agriculture, because agriculture is that science in which we study about the crops and animals, the science of raising crops and animals, because these two are the basic necessary of our any living organisms for their civilization. Okay, now I am omitting it, and meanwhile you must sanitize your hand, wash your hand, sanitize your hand, and whenever if any object you buy from market, then you must sanitize that particular object which is covered by plastic goods or plastics or rubber, etc., because virus stays on plastic goods within 72 hours. This is very you can say this is very dangerous, and I am not afraid to you, but I would like to suggest you please maintain this one. And whenever if you buy vegetables from any home, any place, then you must wash by hot water and then dry it for 2 or 3 hours, and then after you use it in your daily life, then it will be safer for you, for us. Okay, now let's we have, I would like to suggest my student, whenever if any point you could not understand the written matter, which word is not clearly written, then you may raise these words. On the next class I will clear it. Okay. First chapter, chapter number 1. First chapter, crop production. As we know that our India is totally based on agriculture, because only our more than 70%, you can say more than 60 or to 70% people are based on totally agriculture. So that crop production is very essential. We will learn in this class what is an agriculture, crops and crop plants, crop seasons in India, basic agriculture practices, crop improvement and green revolution, food from animals. These are the main topics on which we will describe, on which we will discuss. The first point is in our day-to-day life we see that to take energy we use food, because food is an organic and inorganic substance after through which we get energy. So that how, from where food is obtained? So food is obtained from crops, because only the plants are the first producer in the world, in the universe, because plants produce and then the animals use it. So that we have to discuss and we have to study more details about the plants. Because animals use plants, and from animals we also take food. So practice of producing crops and rearing of animals is referred to as agriculture. So you can say, what is an agriculture? Agriculture. It is that branch of science in which we study about the crops and animals. Crops and animal. That is the practicing of rearing of plants and animals are known as agriculture. Is known as an agriculture. Here you may watch agri plus culture. Agriculture word is made up of two words. Agriculture. Agri plus culture. It is a Greek word. Agri is a Greek word agar, that is field. इसका मतलब होता है field. Culture means to produce or grow. Now agriculture have so many branches, so many different types of branches. But in the meanwhile, we will study more details about the farming and animal husbandry. Agriculture, two main points here. PC culture, AP culture, sericulture. So many cultures will be and so many types of agriculture. But here we have to discuss on 2 points. One is farming and another one will be animal husbandry. It means you will have said the poultry farm, you can say dairy farm. So these are also called the animal husbandry. So cultivation of plants for food, is known as farming. From this word, a person who cultivate the fields for plants are called the farmer. Okay? Another one is animal husbandry. Rearing of animals, to obtain milk, egg, meat, etc. is known as animal husbandry. Okay. Some another point. One point is left out. What is crop? One type of the plant grown on a large scale is known as the crop. Here मैं आप सारे बच्चों को बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि इस महामारी की स्थिति में आप सारे बच्चे अपने घर में सुरक्षित हैं, अनावश्यक रूप से इधर उधर नहीं घूम रहे हैं, चेन सिस्टम को तोड़ रहे हैं और इस तरह से हम लोग अपने राष्ट्र की सेवा कर रहे हैं। तो मैं आपसे निवेदन करूंगा कि आप सारे बच्चे साफ सफाई का बहुत पूरा ध्यान रखें, बिना या बहुत ठंडा पानी का उपयोग न करें। दूसरी बात, जब भी रात में हो दोपहर में हो गर्म पानी पीने का काम करें। और आप सारे बच्चों को मैं ये संदेश दूंगा कि आप सारे बच्चे घर में रहें बेटा, सुरक्षित रहें। धन्यवाद। कितना देर का क्लास?